Trademark registration process. Why contact Fnac Books? What is trademark registration? Trademark registration permits a trademark holder to use symbols or words to symbolize a business or its products. Symbols or words used by the business to differentiate their goods or services from those of competitors. Once a trademark is registered, the applicant may begin using the symbol with the brand. Another company or organization cannot use the registered trademark for as long as it is in use. Process of trademark registration. The trademark registration process in India consists of various steps and needs follow-up with the government. Thus, it is vital to work with an expert to simplify the trademark registration process. The steps in the process of online trademark registrations are as follows. Step 1. Conduct an online search for the brand name that is unique. This is the simplest and most effective method for any beginner to obtain a unique, modern and interesting brand name. Choosing a wacky and unique brand name is a good option, as the majority of generic names are already taken. Step 2. Preparing a trademark application. The following documents must be submitted with the online application for trademark registration: proof of business registration, the soft copy of the trademark, the claim proof, if applicable, of the proposed mark can be used in another nation. The applicant must sign a power of attorney. Step 3. Filing the application of brand name registration. Manual filing and electronic filing are two distinct methods of registering. If you select manual filing, you must personally deliver and submit your application for registration to the Registrar Office of Trademarks in major cities throughout India, including Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad and Chennai. Following that, you must wait at least 15 to 20 days to obtain an acknowledgement of the receipt. However, with an electronic filing system, you will obtain an instant receipt of the acknowledgement on the government website. Step 4. Examining the brand new application process. Once the application has been submitted, the registrar will verify that you have adhered to specific requirements, that your brand name complies with the applicable legislation. Additionally, there should be no conflict or dispute about the registration of any existing or pending brands. This is why we encourage you to choose a unique brand name. Step 5. Brand application in Indian trademark journals. The registrar will then publish your brand name in the Indian trademark journals following the examination procedures. This is undoubtedly the most critical aspect of the trademark registration process, and there should be no opposition with 3 months, or in some situations 120 days from the date of publication. Then your brand name is on its way to being accepted. Step 6. Issuance of trademark registration certificate. If no opposition is filed during the stipulated 90-day time, the registrar will accept your trademark application and will issue the registration certificate with the trademark registry seal. I hope this video might help you understand the steps you need to take in order to apply for the trademark registration process. Please post your queries, comments below this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. You can also call us at 8800221252 or email us at info@fnacbooks.com. Thank you.